Hey, how's it going? So here we go. Turn it on. And then I just unplug the TV. Right here, I'll show you real quick. TV and no power to turn on. See, TV. Now let's plug the TV in right here. Let's light it up again. Come on. Okay, I think I'm supposed to push it one more time for DC. There you go. So you do hear a fan, and as you see, my TV just turned on. And let's see, turn on my cable here. Okay, I just rebooted my cable box too, but as you can see, the TV is running off of it. It's using about 300 watts, and that would last about 40 minutes. So this is a 52-inch Sony, so your TV should last maybe an hour. Maybe add an extra 20 minutes to that. But that should be it. So now I'll turn it off. And the TV turned off. So yes, it does power and everything's good to go. But I mean, I wouldn't really run my TV off this since it's only an hour. That's not really, it's not really optimal, especially if you're trying to, play a game or show something off. Maybe the best option would probably be just maybe an iPad and just stream it to your iPad instead of trying to use a TV, or maybe one of those smaller portable projectors, because they use a lot less wattage. And I can show you that later if you need that, but for now that's the TV.